As you can see, that part of our garage has kind of abysmal storage. We used to have some of those little crap IKEA metal cube things, you know, that you click together with the little plastic connectors, and yeah, those are garbage. So I decided to make some heavy duty shelf brackets on the CNC and upgrade the garage storage.
I'm using my CNC, but you could easily use a jigsaw to cut out these same things. There's free templates available on my website if you want to check them out.
So since this project is maxing out the entire bed, there's no other way of really fixing this down aside from either tape and CA glue or screwing it down. I've opted to screw it down because I know that this whole area here is waste, and pretty much this whole kind of stretch up here is waste as well. So one advantage of doing these little drill holes first, you can do that pass and then put some screws down in them, and you know they're not going to get hit, and that holds them rigid, because so many little small pieces here come loose and can potentially jack up your machine. I missed one of them and it came loose, and that was the result. I mean, fortunately, it's not a really big deal. I can just nip that off with a bandsaw and then flush it up with a pattern trim routing bit. Let's pull all of these off, and I'll run them over the trim router really quick.
After getting everything all trimmed and nice and clean, I put a 1/4 inch round over on everything, and it was time to install.
Now I'm using my laser level just to give me a dead flat line all the way across. But if you don't have one of those, you can always use a string line, or you can just not worry about it being dead flat. It's a shelf in a garage. Who really cares? So, one of the advantages of using a laser versus just eyeballing it is you can run the laser up to there. See, now it's bang on. If you notice, it's also right on that edge too. Let's say our wall was a little bit crooked, and you could exaggerate it here obviously. You can see you can level front to back and get your height on at the same time. That's why I use a laser. There we go, shelf brackets are in. And for anybody who is concerned that plywood shelf brackets might not be strong enough, over 200 pounds, I think that'll probably be good.
So I used my Craig rip cut to make some shelves out of this maple plywood, and in they go.
So there we go. Improved shelves. Definitely strong enough brackets.
Thanks for watching. If you would like to give me the meaningless and temporary gratification of increasing my subscriber numbers, I would appreciate it.